Haha, to the face. Oh, that was close.
Hello guys and girls, Voices from the Dark here. It's time to take on Bug Mania. Welcome back to... what do we want to use here? It's Resident Evil 4. We are approaching a bug-filled cave and I'm just thinking, what's the best weapon? You would think a striker, right? Because you can keep them off you. But then you also gotta think, I gotta move fast, right? And I don't really want to use the glitch, so... if you shoot them, if they're above a ledge, they will fall down. So that's a pretty good tip. If you shoot them while in the air, they're extremely vulnerable and they will hit the ground and die no matter how close to the ground they are. Let's see if we can bait a few more here. This is a good chance to get our final blue eye. Yeah, TMP is gonna be the boss in here. As usual, you can't really go wrong with the TMP. Just a great gun. Oh. The two lights shall shine light on a new path. That's the clue for this level, or this area. So we gotta figure out what that means, and we're gonna take out a whole lot of bugs. Where are you? I know you're here. Oh. God, it's really nasty to hear those wings. You're always like, where? Where? Okay. Striker time, check this out. Extremely good fire rate, hits widely. Boom, it's fast, it's strong. It's everything you would want from a shotgun. And it's so little and compact, it's just nice. Boom. Get out of here. And Dark needs to stop reloading in the middle of combat just to feel cool. Perfect. Now that we've got matters sorted, gentlemen. Oh, the blue eye. Finally, the butterfly lamp can be complete. Great, I think that's about 32,000 or so we're gonna get for that one. I want the TMP, I want to move quickly, I want to be able to shoot him out of the air. I'm not sure if the shotgun slows you down when moving. It just feels like it. So don't quote me on that. This is the door we gotta destroy. And to do that we need to shine two lights. There's one mirror, there's another mirror somewhere in the room. And that's how we're gonna do it. Stop it. Give me your stuff. And move. There are things behind me. So we gotta press two switches. Here's the first one. Magical mirror starts. Get out of my way. I'm gonna red 9 you so hard. Where are you? He blended in so well with the ground, I didn't see him. That's right. Don't mess with me. God damn, the firepower for the TMP, I just love it, man. Gotta try and shoot some of these down. Go with the TMP. If they land on land, I get the treasure, so... it's kind of a matter of, do I really want the treasure? Or do I just... oh! He died over there. This guy seems rather confused about this whole thing. Poor guy. I think we better put him out of his misery. Okay. There we go. Alright, alright. If that's how he wants to play the game, fine. I'm coming over. Another blue eye. Nice. I can never get that treasure. That's gonna bug me so much. It was pretty weakened. Green eye. Red herb. And we can move on into this cave to press the final switch of destiny. Are there any items on this ledge here? I don't see any, but I could be wrong. Just not gonna run all the way around. Just gonna go in here, grab this, and press the switch. The second mirror has been activated, or whatever that is. Concentrating sunlight on the mirror. Let the power of fire tear through the door. Quite excellent. It's important that I get these beasts before they land, because they're so weak when they are, before they land. Yeah. I'm not gonna waste all of my TMP when they're on the ground. Boom. Get out of here. Ha 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 ha. Striker Massacre! Ha 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 ha. Welcome to the party, boys! Bam! Oh, so much rifle ammo. God damn. That's good. There's gonna be an enemy later in the game, which we're gonna have to rely on ammo to kill him. Rifle ammo. He's a pretty nasty one. I'm not looking forward to fighting those. Boom. I think this is the final section with Salazar's pets, so no more bugs for the rest of the game. That's gonna feel good. Then I'm gonna glitch. I actually want to glitch with the gun so I can reload it. Then we go, 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 go. There's a switch. Press it. Yes. Okay, I can't be cheating here. No. Okay. Basically, we can get squashed by things from the roof. Do we want to get squashed? No. How do we avoid that? I'll show you. And this one has triple crushers. So if you switch this, you only get 2 crushers, which still means I'm gonna have to stop in the middle of those death machines. Oh god. And ladies and gentlemen, we can now collect... Ooh. Here's the final piece. The royal insignia. So I was wrong about the location of that one. I thought that one was further down, but the thing I was thinking about was a staff. That's the worst accuracy yet. But we didn't die, so it's okay. Next chapter is going to be the great minecart ride of awesome. Yes, riding minecarts has never been this much fun. Chapter 4-3. We're advancing quite nicely. Slowly getting closer to chapter 5. The island. Spooky. Okay. If I was Bilbo, I would say sunlight again, but there's no sunlight, so I'm gonna have to play The Hobbit as well. Just one of them nostalgia games. Ooh. Letter from Ada. Once a plug egg hatches, it's nearly impossible to remove it from the body. But if it's before it hatches, then it can be neutralized by medication. If it does hatch, you might be able to get it out by surgery before it turns to an adult. But it won't be easy. There's a high chance you won't survive the operation. As far as I know, the girl was injected with the egg before you. Her time is ticking. You should prepare yourself for the worst case scenario. From Ada. Wong. Asian lady. Number 1. Hey, merchant.
Welcome.
I think he sells something cool. He says sells like some Red 9 upgrades.
Rare things on
Sale, stranger.
What are you buying?
Firepower 3.7.
Thank you.
What do you know about it? That's some power, okay? Sick. Okay, let's get the capacity up.
Thank you.
Striker upgrades all around.
Thank you.
Rifle upgrades.
Thank you.
That's turning really powerful. TMP capacity of 200. Thank you.
What are you selling?
I'm selling quite a lot today, merchant. First off, green eyes, red eyes, blue eyes, butterfly lamps.
Thank you. Come.
And I gotta combine this first, and then we can sell that one. The Salazar Family Crown. One of the most beautiful pieces in the game.
Back any time.
Because one of the pieces are optional to get, so
What are you selling?
I like that. Thank you. And now we're pretty well stocked up on most stuff. You have no first aid sprays, okay. I'm not really sure what his stock is for first aid sprays, or when he gets them and when he doesn't. Never understood that, but I buy them when I can. Chapter 4.3. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. I rather enjoy this, so it's good that we have TMP ammo, because I do enjoy using the TMP area, but we do have the new upgrade for Red 9 giving us 3.7 in firepower, so I might actually wanna consider using that one. We got so many green herbs last episode, that was crazy. Let's go. So we're gonna have some more villager fun over here. See that tower? Yeah. That's the tower. It's a bad tower. It's a tower of doom. But if I look on the map here, I haven't lost any treasures. And this is basically the final stages of the game. We need to get through this area, which is actually going to take quite a while. Then we go in here, and we have some sort of adventures in this little part. And then we get to this little place, and then we go up. And this is the final merchant before we face off against the final boss of the castle. And I don't think it will be a spoiler if I say that that boss is Salazar. And before you laugh, remember the Plaga powers. Sup, noob? I don't like you very much. Ooh, nice, you can breathe fire. You should join the circus. Just kidding! Nobody would accept your ugly face. Die. What about you? You always gotta be on the lookout. Like, oh, another fire breather. They're the easy ones. Some people just want to bash you with their torch, and they can actually hit pretty fast, so you gotta be ready for that. Let's get this gold. Now they're having some sort of meeting over here by the campfire. They're like sharing Spanish tales and stuff. Maybe having a siesta. And if I'm sneaky, I can do a surprise attack. So let's be sneaky. 4 people? 5 people? 6, 7, 8! Well, I think I'm up for an 8 kill streak. Alright, check this out. Whew. I got 6 of them. Not too shabby, I guess. Wait, there's 3 left? Maybe there were originally 9. I got about 6. Maybe I got 5. Who knows? Sadly, there's somebody with throwing weapons. Gotta... Oh, I suck so much! Duh! Ganados. Taking damage from them is just an insult to yourself. Did somebody survive? I suppose not. Alright. Let's get the treasure while we can. And... Striker. Glitch. I really love that little glitch. That's a nice glitch. That's a cool one. Grab this. Fill with blue. Boom. I think that was most of the items out here, but I don't really know this area terribly well. Flash grenade. I know it might be like dizzy to look at. I'm sorry. We're gonna return to normal speed in a bit because we got enemies coming up. Actually, I can go and show you why we're going underground. I go through the game like a person who has gone through the game so many times that he feels that it's not necessary to like do everything that's not needed. This is the gate we need to pass, okay? It's locked. Offer the sacrifice to the lion. We gotta find the sacrifice, and the sacrifice can only be found underground, where we got chainsaws, minecarts, and death. A rather jolly time. I do like this section, it's quite unique. I feel like I'm in ancient Egypt. Up ahead rests the offering to the lion. Quite nice. This game really does have the epic feel to it, like, get the offering to the lion. And not just find the key to the door, you know. Well, they have that too. So, take a look up here. You see nothing? Look again. Mr. Salvador. More pissed than ever. Basically, that's like a grizzled Dr. Salvador with blood on his bag and stuff, so... I don't know how I want to do this room. I think I want to clear the Ganados first. I sometimes just snipe Dr. Salvador from here, but... I have a feeling I'm going to do stuff different now. Oh, the good old kick. I haven't seen that in forever. Alright. Gonna bait some of my enemies over here. The good thing about Salvador is that when he's up there, he's very confused. Oh, you're trying to throw stuff at me. I can't have that. He has problems getting out of the room. I don't think he can, actually. He just keeps walking up against the window, so... That's good. 3.7 to the head. And a kick. Stop. Oh, red 9. I can really feel the power. Boom. Gain some distance. I heard somebody groan, but... I guess we're good for now. Where are they? I want to track this guy. Alright, let's go down here. Oh, hey there. No, you're not gonna sidestep me. We need to get to this grave. We're gonna rob it. We become a Tomb Raider now. Leon the Tomb Raider. Who would have thought? Oh, that's bad. At least I can test out how the Red 9 works on the Plaga. 2-shot Plaga kill? That's insane! Oh, yeah. I'm pretty happy about choosing the Red 9 over the Blacktail because we already have a TMP and that kind of serves the Blacktail's purpose. Being quick, although not as powerful, but the Red 9 is just for that raw power and the badassery. The Staff of Royalty. I really wish we could equip that and start just hitting people like a pimp. That would be so cool. Stop that. And they got more bear traps. This guy just does not seem to want to fight me. He's a pacifist. Oh, never mind that. Just want to get some of these because I have a habit of running into bear traps when I'm not prepared. Just keep hearing footsteps behind me. That's probably nothing. There he is. Looking all fancy. And when he gives me an opportunity like this, I just have to take it, you know? Boom, Salvador. That's what I say. He takes so long to get up, I was gonna make a song. Boom! Salvador! And I shot him. And okay, I can't. I'm gonna stop that. But I am gonna snipe him. Boom! Salvador. Ba 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 ba. I really should have made Salvador up there more intelligent, I think. There's gonna be plenty of Salvadors down here, so don't worry about that. Do not worry. I'm gonna snipe him with one hand. Yeah, that's what I call skills. He is strong though. He's taking like 13 times 13, 26 times. He's taking 52 firepower to the head. Alright, you know what? I respect you so much. I'm actually gonna come and I'm gonna meet you in open combat. I'm quite happy, but I'm not gonna climb up there using the ladder. Then you have to be crazy. He's gonna like insta-shot you. Let's go up here! Never. I want the red herb. Now this door is locked, and there's gotta be a key around there somewhere. So much for epic plot devices. Ooh, velvet blue. So the key is in that door. I'll go in there in a second. First, gotta get this. And you know what? I'm gonna have to take out Salvador here. You might see that I'm moving kind of cautiously down here. That's because there's a lot of triggers here for enemy spawns and crazy stuff. So I need to take out Salvador now. That's the important part. Look at those eyes, full of rage. Yay! It's safe. It's safe. It's so freaking safe. It's safe. Sup, Salvador number 2? Boom. That's gonna spawn enemies. Alright, we're gonna run upstairs actually. Get off! Oh shit! Holy shit, Dr. Salvador! I thought I had more time. I thought I had more time. I honestly did. Alright, here's the key. No, why did you jump out? Okay, that was a I was trying to... Yeah, you saw what I was trying to do. Ugh. Nobody even got stunned by that. Now I gotta deal with all of you guys. And now I could use... Oh, god damn it! And there goes my head! I applaud you, Salvador. That was well played. Oh my god, so much derp. Oh my god. That was fun. Are you kidding me? I did so well that. Okay. Okay. You know what? This is good. This is a chance for us to improve. Oh god. Alright, I got a good scare. I know it was like difficult or like dangerous to run into them like I did, but I just want to have fun sometimes. You know, girls just want to have fun. I mean, boys. Boys. Totally boy. Brum brum brum, I got a chainsaw. Rum brum brum. Not today. Not ever. I hit the guy in the background. That was kind of leaked. I'm not gonna... Screw you and your mother and your grandmother. And sometimes your grandson, because he can be a little brat sometimes. I don't trust this guy. Alright. 1. Okay, it took a bit more here. I think it's kind of random how much health the heads have, but it was a 2-shot. That was pretty impressive. Are you kidding me? Alright, but we're gonna do this section a lot better than last time. We're using the red 9 at least. I'm happy about that. Shut up. You don't want to point at an enemy who's charging towards you with a knife and a gun. Life lessons. Boom, said the dynamite. Give me the staff of royal pimping. Let's go pimp some fools. The Ganados are no fans of me pimping their hoes. I just can't help it. Okay, oh, I was basically standing in that one. I need to pimp hoes. That is how I live my life. Screw you. Let me just double check over here that there's nothing in this corner. No. Since, I mean, there's no actual reason to go there, so it might have been a good place to hide something. I'm gonna go meet this guy. There we go. Oh yeah, he's a fire breather. Okay, good. Boom. Just sometimes like to play it a bit careful with those. Alright, so Salvador's up there, so you can understand why I wanted to take out Salvador before I moved up, right? Oh god. Wait. I hear enemies. It's him talking because I think Dr. Salvador, he looks like Don Pedro, like he has the same outfit as Don Pedro. So just look at this. He just has a bag on his head. Yeah, he sounds like Don Pedro as well. Alright, we're gonna do the same tactic. I know it's a bit boring. I know. Look at those eyes. Those pretty eyes. We need a new strategy though. Because I'm not mad I died. That was fun. I'm sorry if it's boring to rewatch me do all of this. But I don't know, I just felt like showing it, because I know that combat is like a very big part of Resident Evil 4 and how you approach combat and how you do. It's all very much important. It's basically the main aspect of the game. This is where you can fuel yourself into the way you play and the way you talk. And it's rather fun, but not when Salvador takes forever to get up. I think this is the final shot. Nope. Why would I think that? One more shot. I think I'm just gonna ignore the Salvador. Just shoot him to the ground, run up, grab the key, shoot him down again, and then just go for it. That's what I'm feeling. That's really what I'm feeling. I think that's gonna be my game plan, because staying to fight was really fun, but I'm risking another death, and right now I'm just not in the mood for that. Finally! Gee, he took so much ammo. Sup, noob? There's some barrels there. Alright, I need to be quick. And I need to get his reward. Get out of here. I'm taking this before I leave. That was a gamble, and it worked. Now you're not safe even though you've used the key, so you better get a move on. They're still coming after you. Okay, in here, TMP time. Actually, I think a flash grenade time. And spike roof numero dos, I mean. And these things. Throw a flash grenade, you instantly kill them. Switch to a weapon you're comfortable with, in my case the TMP. And just be fast. And it stops. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we can move on to the funnest part of chapter 4-3. The minecart ride. We're basically jumping into a moving minecart, driving down and getting hijacked along the way. It's one hell of a trip. Bring our entire family. Now, if I remember correctly, there... I don't know, I remember something about this room. Some sort of treasure. In the roof, maybe? I can't remember. I'm probably wrong here. Just vaguely remember. I'm probably wrong. I don't think I passed by a treasure. There's something on the ground. That must have been what I was thinking about. Alright, I should heal up. We got so many greens. Why not? Quickly reload our shotty here. And we're gonna cheat. There's no enemies here, so grab this. I could get kind of dizzy myself. Okay, so here's the premise. There are 3 wagons, as you can see. You choose which one you want to stay in, and enemies will come jumping down all over the place. I usually prefer staying in the back, for obvious reasons, because I have an overview of the situation. Wait, I don't have super speed now, do I? I don't think I do. So you can shoot people to make them fall down and not land in your wagon. But that doesn't always work. We're just gonna deal with them as they come. I guess we could always switch to the Red 9 to do some direct damage. The Red 9 is just so powerful, we don't really have to worry about headshots like we usually do with the handgun, because it's almost shotgun power, you know? It's close to the power of the first shotgun. There we go. We don't get their loot, but I think I can go without the loot. My bag is full and my money situation is good. I just want to stay safe. I just want to stay safe from the Ganados in my minecart. My minecart. You could shoot this. Or you could just be MLG. You know? Your choice. And somebody pulls the lever. And Salvador jumps down. Start it up, start it up. Let's get out of here. Oh no. Salvador in the house, yo. Salvador, no, I don't want your whatever you want to give me. I have a feeling it's gonna be bad for me. Alright, check this out. Red 9 power. Red 9 power. Yeah, Red 9 power. Let's take out these guys. Dead. And I got his money. I got his money. I'm looting corpses. That's bad. Not feeling MLG. Shoot on all of these people. Drive them down. So, professional has been okay so far. I mean, we do our best to avoid getting in dangerous situations, and that way we kind of make up for the insane amount of damage the enemies actually deal to us. I think that was the last of the enemies. Oh. Shouldn't have said that. Okay. Now things are gonna get interesting. Guys, don't start throwing. No, 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 no. Guys, this is no time to play. We're all gonna die horribly if you don't stop. Uh-oh. Oh. Guys. Whoa. Yeah, that's a bad sign. Get your butt up there, Leon. I'm not dying now. God damn. I love this chapter. So much fun. And a sacrifice. Pretty nice. Guy getting impaled by the insignia, it seems. Can't be good. Can't be good for anyone. Then we're gonna do glitch, and we're gonna run. Climb back up, and we're outside. Once again, safe. Or not really safe, but better than down underground. So that was the final meet with Ganados in the game, and I think it was a worthy finish. We're about to have our final monk encounters, and then, ladies and gentlemen, it's off to the island for the final epic chapter of the game. Now, this is the final chapter of the castle. We had a death, but it was a rather awesome death. A woman just holding me from behind, and Salvador just being like, yeah, you're gonna get it. And I'm having so much fun with this game, it's insane. Totally insane. I was actually going to record another game, I was going to record some Sly 2, but I was like, no, I just want to play this game. Fun. That's some good stuff. Oh, no merchant here. Okay. Why would I want to save right here? Makes no sense, brain. I'm just used to using stuff when I find them. Oh, why do you do that? I do not know. Yes. Welcome to what I guess we could call the statue room. I guess we had the knight in armor room, but this is a different type of statue. I'll show you. Meet Mecha Salazar.
I am the ultimate part of evil.
If you think you're getting out of there that easily, nope. They lowered the bridges. The machine has begun, and monks everywhere. So this is gonna be pretty fun. Nope, suplex on the staircase. What do you know about it? Treasure. They're moving about up there. Alright, suits me well. I don't think they're gonna come from several directions now, so I can kind of chill. That's always what I'm very skeptical about when I'm considering doing some survival horror combat, as I like to call it, like that one. Not using ammo whatsoever. I just need to know that I can't be ambushed, or else it's all in vain. Nothing on the chairs. Now basically when you shoot this switch, or you basically when you shoot the switch, the arms move in different directions, so that's how you can kind of traverse this place. Like now he's gonna be taken up, or he's gonna die. There's two. Oh! Hey! The arm brought some people who failed to jump here. That's intimidating. Why are you jumping? Oh, there we go. You did it at least. I'm proud of you. Gotta keep our eyes open, because the people who fell down are probably gonna come around. Yep. There we have them already. So let's find the best position. A corner looks good. Might be some more coming up behind me, but we'll deal with them when the time comes. That was a bad move of me. Ha ha ha! Now that was a good move. Sorry about that, Paul. I don't know why I called him Paul. I just assumed that was his name. Don't know if that's a very typical Spanish name, but... Are you kidding me? Boom. Go die in a fire. So we open up the first one. I can probably discuss it once it's been more calm here. There's actually a very big glitch you can do in this room, which me and my friend tried for like maybe 30 minutes to do on the PS2, and we finally did it. It's a pretty badass glitch. Okay, so I'm gonna operate this one. It's gonna make this hand move. Check behind me ever so often. That's the final lever down there. We're gonna get to that one. What? Okay, now that's just unrealistic. Now that's just unrealistic and stupid. Okay, I know I shouldn't have jumped onto it, I know, but that was still really weird. Get off of me, you pervert! I was like, should I jump, should I not jump? Ah. Oh well. If we go behind Salazar, we can find another lever. This one makes his arms go back and forth, sort of. And you get out of here. Slice-ity. Dice-ity. I'm kinda skeptical about jumping now. Go. So now these two meet on the middle, sort of. Not really, but... This is where we want to be. After much struggle, we have reached it. Murder, 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 murder. Nobody cares. Slice-ity. Oh, stop it with the mask. Constantly falling down. Knife only is so much fun. 5,000 gold. Thank you very much. Oh. Get this one. We pull this lever. Bridge is complete. Now we can get out of here. They're gonna drop down a lot more enemies, so we're just gonna run. But you're not getting that far. Before you face the might of Mecha Salazar, he will eat you alive and then make rude jokes about it on the internet later. Oh shit! It's locked. Go! Alright, there's the tower. And there he comes! Go, Leon! Here! Stay alive for me! Oh, my neck kinda hurts. I think I've been kinda sitting like in a very tense pose. Well, Leon makes a mess. It's time for the final stage of the game.
So nice you could join us, Mr. Scott Kennedy.
You again.
The sacred rite that's about to begin at this tower shall endow the girl with magnificent power. She will join us, become one of us.
This is no ritual. It's terrorism.
Isn't that a popular word these days? Not to worry. We've prepared a special ritual for you.
You deserve that one. Let the horrors of the tower begin. This is the final castle stage with enemies. So let's say goodbye to the monks. But don't think they're gonna take this lightly. This place is just filled with Here's the treasure. Wait, that's not a treasure. It's further up. Alright. That's okay. Another yellow orb. Haven't seen them in a while. We're back to normal run speed, so it's not cheating. And let's move on up. Basically, it consists of several layers. And this guy, pulling the lever to drop down huge barrels. Yes. Super Mario vs. Donkey Kong all over again. Do I have time to run? Yeah, plenty of time to run. Alright, there we go. Go, go, go. Gonna have to take a detour here. Okay, that was a very close one. We could have already thrown that. Thrown? Thrown. I'm not gonna ask. I was trying to take the treasure, but I climbed up instead, so... Oh my god, that's a lot of people. No way I could escape that. Right. Drop the barrels down! Now I am the barrel master. How does it feel? Yeah, the guy up here is dropping dynamite. I want to stop that. Drop a few more barrels, please. Shouldn't be any enemies behind me. But I should actually move on now. I shouldn't be staying. They're coming. Alright. Need more barrels. Okay, so we need to use this elevator to get out of here. Problem is the elevator is too heavy. We gotta push off the crates if we want to use it. And or any enemies that may land on this will also slow us. We gotta keep the elevator clear if we want to keep moving. And we definitely want to keep moving. So here we go. Be on the lookout for crossbow guys and dynamite guys. Right. You shot me in my butt. I don't approve of that. I'm out of ammo. Alright. Striker is my favorite weapon during this section. It's just a beast. These people are strong and we need a knockback. And we'll just switch to red 9 if we need to take out single targets, enemies. Get off. Okay, that's a bit too many. That's a one-shot Plaga. Phew. Let's get in the corner, pick up everything, turn around. Nobody. Reload. Blow them all away. Check behind us. Alright, we got this guy. There we go. Get out of here. And it's just a mess on this lift. Oh god. This is bad. I don't even want to be close to that one-shot Plaga. But I don't know what I can do about it now. I don't know if I want to kill it and waste the ammo. Yeah, we're gonna be using a lot of shotgun shells here. Stay away from me, Plaga guy. Yeah, he died. And ladies and gentlemen, that was indeed final Ganados of the castle. I still hear somebody. Oh well. We're moving on. Goodbye, noobs. I'm leaving this place. Never coming back. Guys and girls. The final boss of the castle waits beyond those doors. Are we ready? That depends on our bag. Our bag looks quite ready.
Got some rare
Things on sale, stranger.
What are you selling?
I'll tell you what I'm selling, merchant. Spinels, Velvet Blues, a Staff of Royalty. What do you know about
What are
it?
you buying?
Capacity upgrade for the Red 9.
Thank you.
Suppose we could also get firepower on this baby. I'm actually gonna buy some firepower on the Broken Butterfly. I like it.
What are you buying?
Give me another rocket launcher. Cause it's boss battle time. Thank you. Come back anytime. Save time. It is time to face off against Salazar. If you don't know his mechanics, he can be a pain to kill. Cause he basically has like 3 tentacles, then you gotta shoot like his weak spot to reveal the true Salazar, then you gotta kill the true Salazar. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna use a Magnum to reveal Salazar, then we're gonna finish Salazar off with the rocket launcher. I'm gonna reload this. I'm gonna equip this badass gun, and we're gonna roll with it.
You just missed her. The ritual is over. She left with my men to an island.
What?
Dun dun. Say hello to the island.
I think it's time I paid my due respects towards her impressive and stubborn will. Mr. Kennedy, welcome.
Oh no. Let's plug our transformations. I love that guy. It's like, oh, screw my life. And that's how babies are born. More or less. You see that eye? That's the weak spot we gotta hit. He's one ugly mother trucker. And he has 2 tentacle arms, because it's a Japanese game, so why not? Salazar.
Monsters. Guess after this, there'll be one less to worry about.
Yeah. Gotcha. Now we switch. Dun 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 dun. Salazar reveal and dead. I'm sorry about the anticlimactic boss battles, I really am, but it's how I play the game. You're supposed to survive, so I do what's necessary in order to survive. Well, that's the castle taken out. This arena is actually pretty huge. We're actually doing okay despite playing on professional difficulty. I'm happy about this. Quite happy indeed. But the island is going to be our final trial. We're gonna meet people there that are just not cool. We're gonna meet JJ, a huge army guy with a minigun. We're gonna meet regenerators and Iron Maidens. You don't even want to know what they are. Just know that when they come, you scream, and you frantically try to locate the weak points on their body, which is only visible through an infrared scope attached on your rifle. So it's quite tense. 50,000. 30,000 of those I spent on the rocket launcher. Green herb and cash. Gonna rappel down like it's Mission Impossible. Gonna crush these, look out for the snake. Gotcha. Knife the snake. You know what? I don't need you anymore, stupid egg. Or do I? Yeah, I actually do. I can reload this. Sorry, I'll take you. More TMP ammo? I don't need you anymore, stupid egg. Alright. We're going down, down, no, 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 no. A merchant, I'm coming with cash. Now is the final moment, guys and girls. We played with the Red 9 since pretty much the village. And it's been a strong gun, but it hasn't really had that firepower that I've been bragging about. It's at 3.7, but it's time we take that up a notch.
Got some rare
Things on sale, stranger.
What are you selling?
Let me sell spinel.
What are you buying?
Exclusive. 6.5. That's what I like to see. Striker. Upgrades. TMP. Capacity of 250.
Thank you. Not enough cash, stranger.
Damn. The exclusive gives it a firepower of... Someone in the comments said that it's 1.5, but I swear it's 2.0. I could be wrong, of course. Or it's at its 1. I thought it was 2.0, but it might be like 1.8 or something, I'm not sure. But 250 rounds in the TMP. And freaking 6.5 firepower on this baby. Alright, let us sell a few incendiary grenades, because I don't really like them at all. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is that all?
There we go. I'm gonna pick up this. And then we're gonna move on. I think we'll have time.
Need a ride, handsome?
Okay.
Ada Wong. End of chapter 4-4. It's time we headed to the islands and began chapter 5. Possibly the most difficult chapter. Well, it's supposed to be anyway, so I don't want to overwrite that. I want to overwrite this. Okay. Let's do this thing.
Got some business to take care of. See you later.
Those eyes.
Women.
Yep, that's for sure.
I hate to break it out to you, but Salazar's dead.
Yes, it seems that way.
Sadler, why don't you give up and let Ashley go home?
Perhaps you are disillusioned with overconfidence, just because you killed my small-time subordinate.
Sadler, you're small time.
No. Writhe in my cage of torment, my friend.
And guys and girls, so begins the island. Is that actually the castle in the distance? That is so cool. Alright, hardest part of the game coming up. So stay awesome, take care, but most importantly everybody, stay dark. Goodbye.